after eating before going in the water. Everyone stand back. I know.
You know, I almost hope that was some rescue, Droopy. You get the job.
Thomas, I so enjoy the peaceful solitude of a camp.
Ow!
For conclusive proof of Bigfoot's existence.
I'm down here. You're gigantic! The name's Sheldon. Nice to meet you. I am starving! Who's that? He's picked up my scent! This guy is good. Good, but not gifted. We should still do something.
Whoa, quiet! Don't you know what quiet is? Noise! I can't stand noise!
He can hear my big fish!